Today's subject is pharmaceutics 2. Then chapter number 2 is incompatibility and the subtopic is chemical incompatibility. And we will see in this lecture the fifth example that is miscellaneous chemical incompatibility. In this we have to see the first example, the interaction between the soluble barbiturates with the ammonium bromide. Means the interaction between these two chemicals, that is first is soluble barbiturates and second is the ammonium bromide. When these soluble barbiturates is combined together, ammonium bromide in presence of water. Means when these soluble barbiturates is combined together with the ammonium bromide in presence of water, the barbitone is separated as a indivisible precipitates. Means when soluble barbiturates combine with the ammonium bromide with water, the barbiturates as precipitate is formed. This barbiturates form the barbitone as a precipitate, and this barbitone which forms is separated from the water and it causes the indivisible precipitates. The nature of precipitates is indivisible in nature, which is insoluble in water, because this forms a precipitate and this precipitates is insoluble in water. Therefore, we have to follow method B for precipitate yielding interaction, because in this precipitate the indivisible precipitates are formed. Therefore, indivisible precipitate we have to follow the method B for precipitate yielding interaction. Then we take one example on this mechanism. For example, Rx phenobarbital sodium 0.6 gram, then ammonium bromide 8.0 gram, water up to 100 ml and make a mixture. This is the example. In this prescription, there is a presence of phenobarbital sodium and ammonium bromide. Then interaction between these two chemicals, and in presence of water, it does not form a clear mixture, and there is the formation of barbitone as a precipitate which is indivisible in nature and which is insoluble in water. Therefore, the clear mixture do not form. We take the example. For this example, the prescribed phenobarbital sodium along with the ammonium bromide in this prescription to dispense a clear mixture for the patient. Intention of doctor is to prepare the clear mixture, but according to mechanism, there is an interaction between the phenobarbital sodium and ammonium bromide. There is a formation of barbitone as a indivisible precipitate and which is insoluble in water. Therefore, clear mixture is not formed in the precipitate when phenobarbital sodium and ammonium bromide is present. Therefore, what is the correction method? We have to correct to form the clear mixture. For this is possible by replacing chemically equivalent amount of ammonium bromide. Means we have to replace this chemical equivalent of ammonium bromide with the sodium and potassium bromide. Means we have to replace the ammonium bromide, because this ammonium bromide is united with the phenobarbital sodium and does not form a clear mixture. Then it is replaced by chemical equivalent amount of ammonium bromide with this sodium or this potassium bromide, because the sedative action of these three bromides are same. We have to replace with the equivalent amount of substance. The action of drug is sedative action, and this sedative action of three bromides are same. Three bromides means which three bromides? The first is ammonium bromide, second is sodium bromide, and third is potassium bromide. These three bromides, what is the action? Action is sedative action, and this is the which gives the same action. Then what is the equivalent amount of sodium bromide is required, which is equivalent to ammonium bromide? Then we take the calculations. For example, we take the molecular weight. NH4Br means this NH4Br contains 98 molecular weight and NABr. NH4Br means ammonium bromide, molecular weight is 98 gram. Then NABr means sodium bromide, then molecular weight is 103 gram. Then for 98 gram of NH4Br means ammonium bromide, the amount of sodium bromide required is 103 gram. This is the molecular weight of ammonium bromide and this is the molecular weight of sodium bromide. Therefore, for 1 gram of ammonium bromide, the amount of sodium bromide required equals to 103 divided by 98 gram. Therefore, what is the quantity of ammonium bromide in this prescription? The quantity is 8 gram. This is 8. Means for 8 gram of ammonium bromide, the amount of sodium bromide required equals to, that is the cross multiplication, 103 divided by 98 into 8 equals to 8.4 gram. Therefore, replace the 8 gram of chemically equivalent amount ammonium bromide with the 8.4 gram of sodium bromide to form a clear mixture. Means this is the correction method, because the molecular weight of ammonium bromide is 98 gram, which contains the 8 gram, and the molecular weight of sodium bromide is 103 gram. So according to 8.4 gram is required as a chemically equivalent compound which gives the same sedative action as to ammonium bromide. Means we have to replace the ammonium bromide with the sodium bromide. And what is the amount of sodium bromide added, which is the 8.4 gram, which is the same chemical action as a sedative action.